Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we on color inversion in our Realme phone guys. You want to on guys your color inversion mode, so friends you can own it. And guys, now let's see how to on color inversion in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Then we will on our phone setting to on guys color inversion mode setting. So friends, you can see this type setting in your Realme. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting guys. We will scroll it and friends you can see your phone system setting guys. Tap here guys, click on your accessibility setting to on your color inversion. And how can you on? So guys, click on guys this vision option and scroll guys. You can see your color inversion guys. Tap here. Friends, you want to on, you can on from here. After on guys, your background will dark and guys your screen color will change guys. You can see your different screen color guys. So like that guys, you can on your color inversion mode in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video guys.